I'm back.
Okay, so for the hair, I'm hair tie here. So, where to go? Okay, it's here. We're gonna tie this right. No! Okay, so I'm gonna tie the hair tie right over here. Okay. I don't think I should use white. The elastic band must not be white, but who cares? You know, like, who's gonna rent my Barbies? Like, who's gonna want to rent my Barbies? Even if they do, I don't care. I like it. Okay, so that's really like, not good, but I like it. The white suits the color of the hair. It doesn't show off. And I'm gonna braid this part, so. Okay guys, I like it. I love it. Recommend it if you have this Barbie. Everybody has this